So yeah, when you use a Sawzall, if you're planning on reusing this front cover for another transmission, just be careful not to cut into the edge. And then you will have to trim off a little bit here on these ribs to get the plate to fit flush. Otherwise it's going to be off in some areas. And then the bottom bolts have Loctite. These bottom 4, the rest are non-Loctite. So yeah, they send you 2 types of rings. One is for the 90, 95, and one is for the, obviously for the 100 you're not going to need it. So I believe this is a 95. And there is a flat side to this. Actually no, they're both cut flat. So yeah, make sure this is plugged. This is the vent tube that goes into the transmission. Luckily this doesn't have a valve body, so this debris will just, you know, break down and spit out in your drain plug. So if you're paranoid, don't do this. So you don't have to do this, but I'm using some high temp silicone RTV to hold the Nissan gasket a bit so I can align it, and then make sure you put the correct spacer on the bearing. And then Autosport Engineering recommends that you use the pilot bearing to hammer in the lightly tap in the input shaft seal on the inside of the adapter. So yeah, take your time on this and make sure you evenly distribute the mallet wax around, and you can feel the groove. And if you question it, you can always check the inside to see if it's flush all around. Alright, so pretty much got it mocked up. I'm gonna clean the fuck out of this bell housing because I don't want any of this grease contacting my clutch. But I'm really happy I don't have to deal with the stupid R154 anymore, because it has a window here, here, and here. And it's a pull type. I've drifted it for 14 years and I'm sick and tired of pull types. But I'm probably not gonna get the money that I want for it, so I'm gonna reuse it and put it in this car. I'm gonna drive myself crazy and put the R154 in here. So yeah, I really like that this new adapter plate already has the cutout for the lines for the T56 hub throwout bearing, sorry. And I like that, oh shit, I like that these 2 screws won't come off because of the bell housing. So I'll probably just Loctite this one and that one. So yeah, before you install the bell housing, make sure you install the throwout bearing first. Otherwise you won't be able to slide this on. And then grease this input shaft. So yeah, it comes with these. And this clutch line.